Angels. Many of us like to think of angels as beautiful winged feminine creatures or baby-like creatures with halos and harps, but in reality, biblically accurate, angels are described differently. A bizarre passage in the Bible reads, "Their entire bodies, including their backs, hands, and wings, were full of eyes all around, as were their four wheels." Ezekiel 10:12. There are other examples of angels with multiple heads, even some being heads of animals. Throughout the Bible, angels are described as creatures or beings of awe. So the next time someone brings up angels, tell them about accurate angels.